guys, welcome back to the Leave Well Garden, yes, / allotment. Today I'm going to be doing some harvesting. Just want to take you guys along, see what I'm picking today. Yes guys, I feel we're going to start off with the beetroots. Now let's see what I can find in here. Now just a quick little harvest. At least you guys can see what I've been up to. I think that one looks like a nice one here. So just basically twist. Till I feel the roots kind of break off. A little pull. Yes. Nice looking beetroot, guys. Not the biggest, but it will do the job. As it's the first set of beetroots I'm taking out of here. So as time goes by, some of them may even get bigger. So we'll just hold this one for now. Let's see if we have any more in here. I'm only looking at about 2 anyway. One for salad and one to put in a smoothie. So let's see if I can find another reasonable size one. As you can see, they grow. I multi-sowed them, so I don't know if you can see that. Two of them growing there together. But I think I spot one in here that's kind of a bit of a size. So let's see if we can get that out. Alright, so I've got these 2 beetroots so far. Let's take a little walk down. Should I pull out a green onion? Not sure. Maybe we'll leave it for now. Let's walk up a bit. Right. Remember my green machine, better known as mean machine. It's done it again. Look at the size of these. Now I find these too big, guys, to be honest. You know, I find them too big. This is like 2-3 days after I picked that last big one. It's like, wow. But anyway, I'm gonna take them off because I want the tree to go ahead and give me more. So I'll just give it a small twist. Put that next to my beetroots here. Let's go for the next big one. Once again, size of that. I'm just gonna give it a little twist. A little twist. Like you can see the twist. Basically take it off like that. Yes, man. This is, you know, that is big, man. Alright, so now we got ourselves 2 marrows, 2 beetroot. Let's see, maybe I might be able to find a cucumber in here. I think this one is too small. Any under here? I might be able to find one. Let's see. Got a reasonable size one here. I suppose. Yeah, I suppose we can pull this one off as well, or take this one off, should I say. So same kind of principle as I do with the courgettes. Just give it a little twist. And then it just comes off like that. Yeah, perfect. Right, so I think I've only got 1 cucumber. I got more cucumbers, as you can see. But these one here. This one next to it. There's one up here. So yeah, they're coming along. And that will be the 3rd of this kind, slightly bigger the previous ones I've taken off. And I've had 1 of these ones so far. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna swing over. Swing over. I'm gonna try to, maybe we should, these shallots, I really need to pull them up, definitely. Look at that, what's this? A little bit of nature going on there. Alright. So I'm gonna pull these out. Let's take a portion. I'm not gonna take all this a portion, but I will. Next time you see this bed, it more than likely will be empty. just for the purpose of the harvest. Something like this. Jump over. Put it there with the rest. See, take a bit more walk. Alright, this onion here, it's fallen over. It's a good low size. So I'm gonna take this one out as well. One of my red onions. And I'm only gonna basically take the ones that's fallen over. So it's one of the small turbos. That one is fallen over. Yeah guys, it's important, I keep trying to say, if you can, to grow your own food. Because that's the only way you're gonna know what you've put in it, what fertilizer you've used, what pesticides you've put in there. You know, that's the only way you're gonna know that, guys. And the food tastes a lot better, a lot fresher. You know what I mean? Right. So I'm gonna walk over to the cabbages because, yeah, I believe this cabbage could be doing picking as well. So I'll take one for today. Let's see, this one here. Give that a twist. Basically, break it off like that. Should have a clean cut like this. And your cabbage should look something like that. Yeah, beautiful. Once I take out the outside leaves, I've only got the one hand. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. Yeah. More cabbages, as you can see. More cabbages that I could be harvesting. This one is nearly there. The kales, well, I mean, if I really needed kale today, I would have taken some of these small bottom leaves, and it would not hurt the plant, if anything. Probably help it along. I don't need any kale, so I'm going to just let these guys do their thing for now. And as for my peas, I decided to leave a little bit of peas I've got there. I've decided, you know what, whatever else I get from that, I'm going to make seeds with them for next year. Because I'm trying to kind of save as much of my own seeds as I can. Yeah guys, so that's basically what I'm looking to take for the harvest. Let me carry these over to what I've already picked so far, so you can see. And I've got some broccoli here, little baby broccolis that I can just go around their sides and pull out as well. But once again, I don't need them for today. I'm just trying to pick what I'm going to use later, basically, guys. Yeah. So let me give you a quick final shot of what I've taken so far, what I've picked so far. So I've got a cabbage, red cabbage, got the red onions, I've got two small turbo onions that fell over, shallots, I've got two beetroot and two marrows, one cucumber. Yeah guys, I'm really appreciating this little harvest that I'm getting here. I don't know, maybe I could pull out some licks, because you can pull out your licks at any stage, you get me? You don't have to wait for them to get you know, big. And you know, if you like your licks like that and you want to put it in your soup, or you know, just have it in your food, it's fine. But actually, I think I'm going to leave them for now. On that guys, I'm going to say live well and together we grow.